Hello everyone. Welcome back to Information Arc. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube automation, uncovering the secret strategies behind cash cow channels. If you've ever wondered how some channels consistently rake in views, subscribers, and revenue, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. 1. Defining cash cow channels. A cash cow faceless channel on YouTube typically refers to a channel that generates significant revenue without revealing the identity of its creator or creators. These channels often focus on highly profitable content niches such as gaming, animation, product unboxing, or educational tutorials, leveraging the anonymity of the creators to maintain a sense of universality and appeal to a broad audience. The term, cash cow, suggests that the channel consistently produces content that drives substantial viewership and advertising revenue, potentially through strategies like clickbait thumbnails, trending topics, or SEO optimization. Despite the anonymity of the creators, the channel's success lies in its ability to consistently engage viewers and capitalize on YouTube's monetization features, turning it into a lucrative venture. 2. Consistent content strategy. So, what's the first secret strategy? Consistency is key. Cash cow channels maintain a regular upload schedule, keeping their audience engaged and hungry for more. Whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly uploads, consistency builds trust and anticipation among viewers. 3. Audience engagement. Next up, audience engagement. Cash cow channels understand their audience inside and out. They interact with viewers through comments, polls, and community posts, fostering a sense of community and belonging. By listening to their audience, they tailor content that resonates deeply and keeps viewers coming back for more. 4. SEO and keywords. SEO and keywords, the bread and butter of YouTube success. Cash cow channels invest time and effort in optimizing their video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. They understand their target audience's search behavior and capitalize on trending topics to maximize visibility and reach. 5. Quality content production. Now, let's talk about quality content production. Cash cow channels prioritize high production value, captivating storytelling, and engaging visuals. They invest in top-notch equipment, editing software, and talent to deliver content that stands out in a sea of mediocrity. 6. Monetization strategies. Of course, let's not forget about the moolah, monetization strategies. Cash cow channels diversify their revenue streams beyond AdSense, leveraging sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and even Patreon memberships. By monetizing their brand and influence, they turn passion into profit. 7. Analyzing data and metrics. Last but not least, data-driven decision-making. Cash cow channels analyze metrics like watch time, audience retention, click-through rates, and demographics to fine-tune their content strategy. They adapt, iterate, and optimize based on what works and what doesn't, staying ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving landscape. And there you have it, folks, the secret strategies of cash cow channels laid bare. While there's no one-size-fits-all formula for success, these insights can guide aspiring creators on their journey to YouTube stardom. Remember, consistency, engagement, SEO, quality, monetization, and analytics are the pillars of sustainable growth. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and who knows, you might just become the next cash cow sensation. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and keep innovating. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content just like this. And as always, Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy creating.